Yo, welcome to the video. I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you 3 Fiverr gigs that require no skill to make money. So after watching this video, you can start making money by creating these gigs directly. But before getting to the video, I would really appreciate it if you like the video for the algorithm to help me grow, as I'm still trying to grow on YouTube. Thanks anyway, now let's get right into the video. So without further ado, I just wanna dive into the gig ideas. The first gig is removing image backgrounds, and if you're like, I don't know about Photoshop or any other image editing softwares, don't worry, I gotcha. You don't need Photoshop or any other software, and I will show you how to do that just with one click. But before that, let's see the gigs on Fiverr that are about image background removal. As you can see, there are tons of people making money just by removing the background of an image, and you can see that they're doing this for $5, which that's what I suggest you to do, because who wants to pay more than $5 just to remove the background of an existing photo? I don't know, maybe there are such people, but I'm sure that there are not many. Now let's see how you can remove the background of an image just with one click. So what you need to do is to go to remove.pg, and from here just upload your image. And after that, all you have to do is to wait for the website to remove the background of your image. And there we go, the background is gone. That was all you needed to do. I mean, if you want, you can add some effects, click on that edit, and you can add blur for your background, or choose a different background picture, like I don't know, you can find something and change that. So now let's see the second gig idea. The second gig is making logo design on canva.com. By the way, here you have two options. The first option is, if you have no idea about what you're doing, you can use the templates that Canva provides and change a few stuff just to not use the same design. The second option is, if you at least have a little bit of idea about what you're doing and a few sprinkles of creativity, you can create logo designs again by getting help and inspiration from the templates that the website provides. So I don't think that creativity is a skill. It's something that everyone has, but with differences. For example, I might do this and this and this, and you might do something different, like changing the cube's rotation like this, I don't know. I hope you get the point. Now you might be thinking, who is gonna buy a logo design made on Canva? But don't think like that, because it doesn't matter where the logo is made. What really matters is how good the logo is. So when I was making a research for this video, yeah, I make research for all of my videos. What did you think? And I found this video. This guy tried to make money on Fiverr by using Canva for 1 week. Actually, I liked his video. You can also check it out. And he made sales in just 1 week. So there is hope, and you can find out without trying. Now let's get to the the third gig. The third gig is reselling services. So if you don't know what reselling services is, let me give you an example. You find a service, let's say on freelancer.com or on Upwork, for $20, and you create a gig on Fiverr about that topic and you sell it for $30. So when someone buys your gig, you go to that person that you have found on freelancer.com or on Upwork or on a different website, and you buy that service. So that person gets paid, he does his job and gives you the final result. After that, all you have to do is pretty simple. You take that final project and you just give that to your customer. You made $10 just by being in between with the seller and with your customer. So make this like a story. So there is a seller. He sells a service for $20. You go on a different website and sell the same service with $30. A buyer comes to your gig and buys it. You got $30. With that $30, you go to the seller, you pay $20, you still have that $10 for yourself, and that person, that seller, makes that work for you for $20. He doesn't know that we do that, and he does the work. We get the work and give it to the customer, to our customer, I mean. Also, there is not a specific work that you need to do, like graphic design, video editing. You can do whatever you want that works for you, but you need to be careful with some stuff. Let's say your seller provides just one revision. I wouldn't suggest you to go to your gig and put there 2 revisions or more than 1. Because if your customer wants a second revision, you won't do the revision because you already used your just one revision that you had. And that would be a problem for you. So be careful in the beginning with those things, and after that you're just gonna order from someone else when you get ordered. Thank you so much for watching this video. Here's a video that I show you how to make money online as a teenager. If you're a teenager and you wanna make some extra money, I suggest you watch this video here. So see you over there. Bye bye.